Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting files on a Samsung Galaxy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Files app on your phone. Locate the file that you would like to delete. Hold down on the file to select it, then tap on the trash icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap Move to Recycle Bin on the pop-up that appears. That file is now deleted. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Android tips and tricks.